In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to swipe EBT card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use and swipe your EBT card. So using your EBT card is similar to using a debit card. So first, if you are at the store, always shop for eligible items. So usually there will be an EBT logo on any items that are eligible to be purchased using this card. You can also go to specific locations that let you know that anything that you can purchase is eligible. If you are unsure, you can ask the cashier once you reach checkout. So once you have finished shopping, proceed to the checkout lane and you can inform the cashier that you will be using your EBT card to pay for the groceries. Now, if the cashier hands you the card reader like this one, then all that you have to do is swipe your card, usually at the side. So there will be this specific lane that you see here with the card swipe icon, and all that you have to do is swipe your card in the correct orientation here. Then once it is swiped properly, the payment will be made and you will be good to go. Enter your PIN and choose the amount. Now, if you aren't sure how to swipe on a specific model of card reader, or you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can simply ask the cashier to help you. They will swipe the card for you and set up the amount. The only thing that you will have to do is enter the PIN. So by using the numerical pad here, you will be able to confirm this payment by entering your PIN. And once it is done, you will be able to receive your receipt and see if everything was included. The balance will be deducted and you will be good to go. Remember to never share your PIN. Always enter it after the cashier has set up the machine for you. But to swipe the card, it's as simple as looking for this symbol and then swiping it on the actual card reader. I hope I was able to help you on how to swipe EBT card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.